Hello, welcome to Nurseries in Virginia. They never fail. Christmas roses flower at this time of the year, right into January and February, and totally hardy, of course, for outside. This one is Helleborus Christmas Star. It's a gorgeous Christmas rose. Look at all the flower buds down here. Can be kept in the house and then planted out after Christmas in your garden, and they'll flower every year, late winter and early spring. Totally hardy perennial. And this is another variety called Christmas Carol, and if you look in there, the amount of flower buds on this, really hardy variety, lovely clear white flower, late winter, early spring, can go out in pots and containers at this time of the year, or out straight in your garden, like a little bit of semi-shade and shelter. And then you've got this brand new variety, extra big, and the amount of flower buds you could, this is called Snowdance. So this is Helleborus Snowdance. So great in a pot or container, will flower right into mid-spring, winter hardy, and come back year after year. It's white with that little hint of pink at the back, and when you look in there, the amount of flower buds on this that have as yet to open out is just fantastic. Well, we're finding a spot for them, totally winter hardy and last forever. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.